Good morning, children. Welcome to the fourth session of the chapter Linear Equation in One Variable. Last class we have discussed exercise 2.2 and I hope that all of you understood that all word problem very well. If you have any doubt, without any hesitation, you please ask the doubt and clear it. Today, let us study some more application questions. One example. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. Let us take Shriya's present age to be X years. Why Shriya's age we have chosen as X? Because Arjun's age is compared with Shriya's age. Shriya's age is the independent variable there. Therefore, Shriya's age can be taken as X. Therefore, Arjun's age can be taken as twice 2 into X, 2X. Okay, we have make our assumption. Shriya's age be X and Arjun's age be 2X. Now, what is the second condition? 5 years ago, both of their ages was 5 less than this age. Okay, therefore, 5 years ago, what was their ages? Shriya was x minus 5 and Arjun was 2x minus 5. Okay, children, 5 years ago, Shriya's age was x minus 5 years and Arjun's age was 2x minus 5 years. Now let us write the equation by using the next condition. What is the condition given? 5 years ago, his age means Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. Okay, Arjun's age 5 years ago, Arjun's age was 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 times Shriya's age, that is 3 into x minus 5. Okay, we got the equation. Now easily we can solve this one. I hope you can solve it easily. Then we will get the value of x as 10. Therefore, we got the answer. Shriya's present age is equal to x, that's equal to 10 years. And therefore, Arjun's present age is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20 years. Let us move to exercise 2.4. First question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Here we can assume the number Amina thinks be x. Let Amina think a number be x. According to the question, what is given, children? Amina thinks of a number and what she did? She subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Means 5 by 2 we have to subtract from x. That can be expressed as x minus 5 by 2. Okay, that is first she subtracted 5 by 2 from x, that is x minus 5 by 2, and the result, the answer she multiplied by 8. Therefore, we can write the expression as 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 times the original number. Original number was x, that is equal 3x. Okay, easily we got the equation. 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Okay, here also we can solve this equation by opening the bracket. 8 into x is 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. That is equal 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. We will get 5x as 20 and which implies x is equal to 4. Therefore, the number Amina thinks is equal to 4. Second question. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Here it is described two numbers. One positive number is 5 times another number. Therefore, this another number can be taken as x. Okay, that is a second number can be taken as x. Therefore, the positive number becomes 5 times this another number, that is 5 into x. Okay, the two numbers are x and 5x. This is also somewhat similar to that age question. Then what is given? If 21 is added to both, that is after 21 years, similar question, isn't it? 21 is added means both number becomes x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Okay, what will happen? If 21 is added to both numbers, then one of the new number become twice the other number, because the bigger number is equal to 2 times the smaller number. Therefore, how can you write the equation? That is, the bigger number, obviously 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21. Therefore, the new equation is 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21, which implies 3x is equal to 21, x is equal to 7. Therefore, the second number is equal to 7 and the first positive number is 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Move to the fifth question. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Here this is also an age question. The Shobo's age and his mother's age are compared. Here Shobo's age will be taken as x. Therefore Shobo's mother's age will be 6 into x, 6x. Okay, their ages, present ages can be taken as x and 6x. Then what is the condition given for framing the equation? Shobo's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now, what will be Shobo's age? X plus 5. From 5 years from now, Shobo's age, that is x plus 5, is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age, 1/3 of 6x. That is, our equation is x plus 5 is equal to 6x by 3, which implies x plus 5 is equal to 2x, which implies x is equal to 5. Therefore, Shobo's present age is equal to 5 years. Therefore, Shobo's mother's present age is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. Sixth question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Here we have to find out the actual length and breadth of the plot. For that, some clues are given. What is the first clue? The length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. From that, we can assume length to be 11x and breadth to be 4x. Okay, length of the plot be 11x and breadth of the plot be 4x. Then what else is given? At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. The total cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter is equal to 75,000. What is the total cost? How will you calculate the total cost, this 75,000? Here, Fencing means we have to find out the length of the boundary, that is perimeter of the plot, isn't it? Therefore, how will you get this total cost? Perimeter of the plot when multiplied by per unit cost, that is perimeter of the plot into 100 is equal to 75,000. Isn't it, children? That is perimeter into per unit cost, that is 100 is equal to 75,000. Therefore, we can find out perimeter of the plot is equal to total cost divided by cost of fencing 1 meter. That is equal 75,000 divided by 100, that is equal 750 meter. Okay, from this total cost we found out the perimeter of the plot is 750 meter. Okay, we have already assumed length and breadth are 11x and 4x. By using these two conditions, we can find out the length and breadth. Okay, that is we got the perimeter of the plot is 750 meter and we assumed length and breadth as 11x and 4x. Therefore, we can say that 2 into L plus B is equal to 750, that is 2 into 11x plus 4x is equal to 750. By multiplying, we will get the equation as 22x plus 8x is equal to 750. Like that, while solving, we will get x as 25. Hence, the length of the rectangular plot is equal to 11x, that is 11 into 25, that is equal to 275 meter, and breadth of the plot is equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 into 25 is equal to 100 meter. 7 and 8 we can discuss later. Okay, let us move to the 9th question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Here, the ages of a grandfather and a granddaughter is compared. The grandfather's age is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Therefore, we can choose the granddaughter's age be x. Therefore, grandfather's age is 10x. Okay, according to the question, how to frame the equation? He is 54 years older than her. Okay, he is means grandfather's present age is how much? 10x is equal to 54 years older than her, that is 54 plus x. 10x is equal to 54 plus x. Okay, while solving, we will get x as 6. Therefore, the granddaughter is 6-year-old girl and the grandfather is 10 into 6, that's equal to 60 years. Tenth question. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. This is also an age question. Aman and his son's age are compared. What is given the condition? Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. And how will you choose the variables? That is, let the son's age be x and Aman's age be 3 times x, that is 3x. Now what is given? 10 years ago. 10 years ago, the both of their ages was 10 less, that is x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. 10 years ago their ages were x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. Then what is the condition given for framing the equation? 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age, that is he means Aman is equal to, that is 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x minus 10. While solving, you will get x is equal to 20. Therefore, Aman's son's age is equal to 20 years and Aman's age is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. Now you can write down this all exercise 2.4 in your notebook. Only 6 questions, 4 questions till now we didn't discuss. Okay, later we can discuss that questions, and you can complete these 6 questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you. Take care.